In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the install error code 0x8000ffff in Windows 11 update. So let's get started. Right click at the start button and select settings. Now in this window, simply click on system on the left pane. Scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. This will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. After doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to check for any proxy server in the LAN settings. So press Windows key and R, type inetcpl.cpl, hit enter. Then click on the Connections tab, and here you'll find the local area network or the LAN settings. Click on that. Make sure that there is a no proxy server enabled. So use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is unchecked. Automatically the detect settings, make sure that is enabled, and click on OK. Apply and then OK. Then press Windows key and R, type WS reset to reset the Microsoft Store cache, WS reset, and hit enter, or simply click on OK. So that will reset the Microsoft Store cache. So I have this error, but in your case, you will not face any error. You will just have to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Then we also need to check for the cryptographic service. So press Windows key and R, type services.msc, click on OK. Locate the cryptographic service. Right click, go to properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic. Service status, click on start, apply, and then OK. If it is already running, just simply click the restart button on the left pane. You can also restart your Windows after doing so. Then we can run some commands in the command prompts. Then right click at the start button, select task manager. Maximize it, click on run new task and type cmd. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Now simply type these two commands. This will be posted in the description box below. The first one is test of cscan. Control V and hit enter. The system scan will begin. So wait for the process to be 100% completed and then run the second command, which is the DISM scan. And after running the two commands, just simply right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.